Hey, what's up, y'all? My name is T. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Before we get started with the video, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, hit that notification bell so that way every time I upload to YouTube, you'll be one of the first people to know. So in this video, y'all, we're not talking about Versage in this video, okay? I know y'all like, yo, like you always doing a Versage update, da-da-da-da-da. Yeah, listen, right now I'm not doing a Versage update. I'm actually going to talk about Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin? So if you ask me what Bitcoin is, my straight up simple answer is going to be Bitcoin is the #1 cryptocurrency in the world. It was formed in 2008, but really kind of sort of like launched in 2009. And it was formed by a person's name that I can't really pronounce. But if you see me looking down, I'm looking down at my computer because I feel like, well, this video would be very short if I just gave you guys that answer. But y'all know ahead of time, that's my answer. Listen, #1 cryptocurrency in the world is decentralized and it's named by a person that I don't know, and it was launched in 2008. But listen, I'm actually going to be getting some reference from Wikipedia. I'm looking on my laptop. See, my laptop. I'm looking on my laptop. So let me read what Wikipedia says. I'm only going to read a few sentences to you guys because at the end of the day, we all know that Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency. It can be used in most stores. It can, like, you actually have Bitcoin ATMs almost everywhere now. They even got Bitcoin ATMs in the hood. And you know the hood is the last place to get anything. So if it's in the hood, you already know, right? So I'm just going to read a few lines off of Wikipedia. And it says, Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency invented in 2008 by an unknown person or group of people using the name Satoshi Nakamoto. I don't know if I'm saying that name right, but if I'm not, who cares? So it says, and started in 2009 when its source code was released as an open source software. It says it's a decentralized digital currency without a central bank or a single administrator that can send from user to user on a peer-to-peer Bitcoin network without the need for intermediaries. It says transactions are verified by the network nodes through cryptography and recorded in a public distributed ledger called a blockchain. So you know what? I actually hear blockchain everywhere. I know what a blockchain is, but to be honest with y'all, I can't even tell you in my own words what a blockchain is. So I'm actually going to click on blockchain and see like what the definition is so I can read it to you. It says the Bitcoin blockchain is a public ledger that records Bitcoin transactions, is implemented as a chain of blocks, each block containing a hash of previous block up to the genesis block of the chain. A network of communicating nodes running Bitcoin software maintains the blockchain. Transactions of the former pair X sends Y Bitcoins to the payee Z are broadcast to the network using readily available software applications. So basically what I'm getting from this is that like a blockchain is basically like a public ledger that records like the transactions or whatever the case may be. That's basically like what a blockchain is. Yeah, so right here it says that a blockchain is a growing list of records. So that's all the blockchain is. It just lists all of the records when it comes to like this crypto world. So yeah, guys, so basically, like I said before, Bitcoin is just like the #1 cryptocurrency in the world. It was formed in 2008 by someone's name that I really don't want to pronounce. And I'm not even going to try to say that person's name again because I'm 99% sure that I'm saying it wrong. But yeah, that's what Bitcoin is. You can use Bitcoin just about anywhere. They have Bitcoin ATMs everywhere. They're in the hood, they're in the non-hood. You can go to the store and actually use Bitcoin. You can get credit cards, debit cards with Bitcoin on it. And basically that's what Bitcoin is. So if you have any questions about Bitcoin, leave them in the comments below. If you have anything to add to this, you can leave it in the comments below. If you disagree with anything I said, then guess what? You're disagreeing with Wikipedia and you need to Google this information because it's right there on the internet for all of us to see. And do I think everyone should invest in Bitcoin? I'm not a financial advisor, so I can't tell you what to invest in. Do I have Bitcoin? Yes, I do have Bitcoin because once again, it's just a different form of currency. And I am not a big fan of just operating off of fiat currency. Fiat is nothing but like the physical cash. I'm not into that at all because the physical cash has no value in it, honestly. And we're actually moving into a digital realm. So I am the type of person that I'm going to get as many different digital currencies as I possibly can. And Bitcoin is one of them. Is that my top one? No, my top one is Ethereum, and that's why I'm in for Sage. So with that being said, guys, I'll see you in my next video. Everyone have a great day. Bye.